Yeah, great. Earlier we used to see or think that these kind of exhibitions only possible in Dubai or in Germany, like a Medica or Arab Health and all. But great to know that India is equally or maybe ahead than them. So it was well organized, well planned, and a lot of brainstorming, lot of business opportunities. So really pleasure to have participate in this as an exhibition.
Opportunity. We got to participate in the Startup Fair exhibition, and it was a really exciting opportunity to witness a lot of startups competing on the same front. So it was really exciting to be a part of it. And we are grateful enough that we got to be the second prize winner for this. So yeah, we are very grateful.
And indeed, all the events like for the Future for Health and the VOH, all these individual events were really important to have, because all the discussions they had, the panel discussions, the presentations, all of them were really good. And yeah, so indeed it was a great experience over here, meeting a lot of people, networking and discussing about the new startups that they have.
Yeah, day before I was one of the speaker for a panel discussion. That is the role of AI and the digital technology in healthcare. So that was a really good takeaway. A lot of brainstorming with all the KOLs around. The panel members were really good one. Good questions from the audience also, and we can see the lot of dynamics. Whatever is happening in India, particularly about the AI, because we know that India is lacking behind well organized data or the EHR, but I can see a lot of companies, a lot of new startups are coming up, and they are really boosting to make India enable for the AI or ready for the future health.
So our product name is Gazelle basically, and we started manufacturing in India in 2021 itself. So our product is basically a point of care confirmatory test that helps detect sickle cell and thalassemia in single test, and our focus was here to reach out to the remote areas where the facility based testing like with big equipments are not available. So our portable device can be carried anywhere, it can be tested, and the results are delivered in 8 minutes itself, and the time to report, that the report generation time is also 10 minutes. So that's one of the USP of our product. And the other thing is it is AI based, AI enabled automated interpretation. So that's other thing that really emphasizes and speeds up the diagnosis of sickle cell and thalassemia. And we also have one more technology on the same platform, that is FIA, that is fluorescence immunoassay, and we are coming up with many parameters in the future on single device itself, so that people in remote settings don't need to have to buy different technologies or different products to test multiple parameters. You can do it on the same device.
So that's it's a real democratization of diagnostics. We are bringing diagnostics within the reach. And I think that is one of the reasons we got a second prize. So it was cherry on ice, one of the exciting news for us. So definitely, we would like to have this relationship or partnership continue in near future. To be very frank, this was our first time to participate either with Future for Health or Voice of Health. But in the first kind of debut match only, a kind of a century kind of thing happened to us, and it is really boosting not for me but for my entire team. We also got to know that how the other the companies are working, what is happening around the world. So that will also help me to give feedback to my R&D team to what improvisation is required in the product, how to be match the cutting edge of technology or cutting edge of the requirement. We got to interacted with many KOLs, many policy makers, many potential investors. So overall, it was great opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you.